And we are live. Thank you, everybody. Woohoo!
One watching.
Should be live.
Okay, guys. Yep. Guys, afternoon session, power hour. Let's see if we can catch some trades. Maybe do a little bit more trading than we did yesterday. That's so funny. Confused me. Sparky.
One
You wait
question,
enough.
Mike. My chat doesn't pop up when I click the start streaming.
Docs.
Oh, that's true. Docs. And...
Let me just put out a little banner notice out on Discord, and then we'll get to the charts. Hopefully we'll see some scalps. I don't remember what it was yesterday. I really don't remember what the volatility was. The volume is good, 1.8 million. That means it's pretty active, but the volatility, the ATR is 9.58. So that's pretty low. Just so you guys know, just to remind you, at 10, it's kind of like an early warning for me. At 7 during the day, anytime for me, that's like don't even trade anymore. So
We still have a big bearish SMT going on. ES took all-time highs and Q didn't yet.
Yeah, I see it. Bating. And QES. Actually, no. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong chart. Hold on a minute. I don't understand why you say that, and I want to bring up my chart. Let me just put in this message. Control V.
ES took out yesterday's high. The highest high, and then Q didn't. Look at yesterday's previous day high. It's all the way at 379 on NQ.
Yeah. Okay, that's what you meant.
Yeah.
Really? You can consider that a divergence, even though they both broke. I had a high at 1230 on ES, and then I had a high at 1305 on ES.
So
The 1305 swept the 1230, and they did it on both. I thought you guys just compare
no, this is like a
internal
higher time frame SMT. For my trades, I look for shorter time frame SMTs, but I use the
Okay.
higher time frame as a confluence for my trade as well, just for directional bias.
Wow, I didn't even know you can do that. Seriously, that's another way. Okay, I learned. I thought it always had to do with the internal highs and lows, like really, the close ones or the ones on the 15-minute chart. Although it's rare that I go out that far. Is Dreamer about open? Sorry, guys. I left on my disclaimer. There we go. There's me. There's Alex, frozen in place.
How am I frozen? I'm just gonna pull up your chat so I can be able to read it too.
Why frozen? Because you're a picture. Pictures don't move.
Okay. Yeah. No, I'm live on mine. I'm
Oops.
moving on mine. Yeah, I see it. Okay.
I don't know which one I need. Who am I watching?
All right, what are we doing here?
Good enough. I got a long actually. See, it never takes me long. I got a long at 317. If we can get in at 313, we're targeting 324. If you can get in at 313, you're going for 11 points. It's a 73% probability trade.
What's your stop on that?
313, it's 10 points, 303. So 10-point stop, 11-point target, and then 73% probability. Petra. Hello, Petra.
It's a great probability.
Doing? Yeah, it is. It's an excellent trade.
10 points. How many points you go for?
11. I got to get 313.
Yeah, 1 for 1, 73% is great.
It's phenomenal. Sure, it's great edge.
Is that the Renko? You do the Renko 1 for 1?
That's on the Renko. Sparky, you're still bothering me. Petra, did you trade today? Took some trades or you took it easy? Did you catch anything, Al, in the morning?
Caught a loser.
Got a loser.
Yeah, took an SMT. I even over-risked a little bit. I miscalculated my risk.
That sucks.
Took a loser. Yep, not fun.
Yeah. So I know you. Oh shit! The entry. I don't even have my fucking
You enter
platform open.
even if it's late like that too? I don't like entering late in entries.
No, it didn't go high. It only went up to 18. 313th. Excellent trade, guys.
Went to
Excellent
20.
trade.
Your entry was 13. Going to 20 is like 70% of the way. It's a lot.
No, 13, and the entry is the exit is 24.
Yeah, it hit all the way up to 20. It went to
Okay,
319.75.
that's a beautiful trade here. And the lower it goes, the more beautiful it is. I just can't get it because my fucking platform isn't open. And the trade, yeah, you guys you see other accounts, but no, those other
Good
accounts are
job,
for other
Petra.
stuff.
Enjoy the rest of your day then.
Wow, good job. $100 club. $100 club, Petra. Way to
Come
go.
back tomorrow and rob them again.
Petra, did you are you signed up for the $100 club? I don't even remember. Excuse my memory. I'm an old guy. And are you signed up on Omnius's side, Omnius's Discord, or on my Discord? Are you on Team Omnius or Team Futures? I mean, we're going to be doing the same thing. There's no difference. One isn't better than the other. One isn't worse than the other. It's identical. It's just two different stadiums. Think of it that way. Let me try and get Ninja Trader open. So what did I say the stop was on this 03, eh?
Well, 3, yeah.
Like this is gorgeous. You smack it here now, you got a 6-point stop and you got a 14-point target. Now the probability of being stopped out is probably higher, but so what? The risk return on this is really, really nice. Like if I can get my platform open in time, I would hit it.
It already hit 303 though.
Yeah, 303 on the offer has to hit and hold for a second. Hasn't done it yet for me. I'm not stopped out yet.
Oh,
I'll
that's true. I
let you know.
forgot about the rank close. If it dips down, it's fine.
Yeah. And if it did and I was nervous, I would like and I got in at an average price of 309, 310, I would lighten up now. Like if I had a 10 lot, I'd probably get rid of 6.
What language you
Just
speak, Petra? He said he doesn't speak English. How is he texting in English?
it's a shame because yeah, she speaks German.
Oh, she.
There's chat translation. There's a
Oh, for real.
yeah, there's a chat translation.
Hey, more people asking for your bot, huh? You gotta get on that.
Mm.
I see it in the Discord every
Petra.
morning now when I wake up.
Paste, paste, paste. Let's see if this is working. Petra, can I ask you to go and watch an Alex's stream? Give him the traffic. I'm there also. I'm watching his chat. Give him, let the numbers go up. The faster his numbers go up, the faster he can build out his channel on YouTube. YouTube wants to see activity. Okay, that was a loser, guys. And the one fatal mistake I often do is I now take it to the short side. That's when I get hurt because right now I don't think there's any bias short. If you look at the bands, I know Alex doesn't use bands. I use bands. If you look at the bands, we're above the bands. Remember, that's for scalping. Don't confuse the auto trading because you're looking at the auto trading and you go, what the hell's he talking about? He's short above the bands. Yes, that's the auto trader. It has different dashboards. It's calculating trades based on different factors. Remember, there's more than one way to make money in the markets. That's why it's great, actually, that Al, I get to stream with you because you get to show. Hopefully, when you have good setups and stuff, you get to show
Yeah. Looking for
a
longs,
different
so.
a different approach.
Still looking for longs. Especially on today, you know?
Looking for longs. Oh, oh my God! Wow, that's a strong day on NQ.
Yeah, I know. Crazy, huh? I hear the little
Mm.
cat.
Oh yeah, he doesn't leave me alone. He meows, he meows, he meows, he meows almost 24 hours a day when I'm sitting in this chair for cookies. And if I don't give him cookies, he bites me. But it's a good bite. It's not an aggressive bite. It's just a little bite telling me, feed me, or telling me
He
I
used
want
to
to
bite
eat
my
them.
calf. Meow.
No, that was
Meow.
play. That was play.
Early mornings too, I hated it.
What's the weather like all the way down there where you live? Copy, paste, log in. Short by bid. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's a shame
We
because I
yawned at the
don't
same
speak
time.
English. Yeah.
I yawned, and
130.
while I was yawning, you did.
Hmm. Let me see if the link works. Oh, hey, look at that. Look who it is. Link works. You got to pull out your chat. Pop out. Do a poll. You know how to do a poll? Might as well learn while we're waiting for the markets to do something interesting.
No, I don't. No idea. But if you're gonna ask me to go on YouTube and stuff, I can't do it. I only got the two
Nope,
monitors,
nope,
so I don't
nope,
even have
nope,
access
nope,
to
nope,
anything.
nope, nope, nope. It's not on YouTube. It's actually, you know, the thing that you went in Doc's chat to pull out your chat.
Yep.
Right on the bottom, there's a plus sign. Engage with your audience.
I open up Docs and I click chat again.
No, your chat should be opened already.
Yep, my chat's open. Yeah, I don't have a plus though anywhere.
At the bottom.
No.
Don't you have a box that you can chat?
No, it says sign in to chat.
Okay, sign in. You'll just have to do it once. Oh my God. I looked at your the thumbnail that I have on my stream.
Yeah.
I forgot that I didn't have your camera and I was close and I just see you sitting there with this big smile on your face. I go, what the hell is he grinning about? I forgot it was a picture. That's funny.
All right, I got it.
Wow.
Yep. Plus, start a
Okay,
poll.
plus. Yeah, start a poll. Um,
I got one.
you know what I'm curious about? Maybe I'm going to run it overnight. I'm really curious to know how many people are interested in time to flip a coin and full port. I'm really curious to. Teddy, you sent me a message, in Discord. I didn't have a chance to look yet. Get you your
Hey, Teddy,
account.
thank you for joining.
Are we taking all-time highs? Like, yes, absolutely, without a doubt. And if Martin was here, he'd probably say the same thing. Yeah, the polls are good. I think YouTube likes the polls, so you should always try and think of something to put up there. Yes, sir, I did. Okay, I'll get to you probably a little bit later. Well, I can't get comfortable with the temperature wherever I go, eh? The air conditioner upstairs is on like 18. It's freezing.
18.
So, you know what I mean. To combat that, I come downstairs and I got to turn the heat on maximum. So I'm sweating over here, and then I go upstairs sweating, and I freeze again.
I don't even know how
About the
David
delay.
lasts in that office. That office is so cold.
Hot when he
Oh
closes the
yeah,
door.
sorry. It's so hot. It's actually like a furnace. It's like being cooked alive.
Yeah.
Yep. David's office is like 89
We can
degrees.
go for coffee. Yeah, it's very, very hot in there. But he likes it. To be honest with you, I'm so cold sometimes I like it also. Teddy, did you sign up for the 100 club? Oh, and Alex, it's true. I forgot to tell you. I know you're thinking about the one and done club. I was thinking about, like, look, it has to match your style of trading.
Yep.
But the power of three, like if you take one loser, remember, not everyone's trade. They're not copying your trades. That's not the purpose. If the purpose is to do their own thing, and not a lot of people only take one trade a day. Number one, number two, if you take one trade and you lose, do you really want to quit? Especially if it didn't
No, of course
if
not.
it did if it didn't hit your personal daily loss limit. So the power of three is like a little mini playoff. It's the best of three. If you hit two losers, you're out. Right? The best of three. It's the first 1 to 2 games to the number two. Like the best out of 7 is the first 1 to 4.
Yeah, I get it. Man, that's how you
Yes.
rotate accounts. If I would do the one and done club, I'm doing one trade
Oh
a day.
yeah,
You
yeah,
lose,
yeah.
you're done for those 3 accounts. Move on to other stuff you have. I'm not gonna risk $100 and say, oh, I didn't hit my DLL. Let me take another one. No, your DLL is $100. That's what you're going for. Unless you're
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
scalping and you're
No,
going for thirty
ouch.
dollars a trade. But the way I trade, no, it's one and done,
Go
not more.
Power Rangers. No, not no. If you haven't hit your PD, your daily loss limit,
But why
then
wouldn't
you
I
can
hit it
take.
if I'm risking 100 per trade? If I hit it, if I take a losing trade first, I'm done.
Yeah, no, no, no. I'm talking about like another trader. Let's say another trader sets a $400 PDLL and he lost 175. He can take a second trade under the power of 3 because he hasn't hit two. No, he hasn't hit 2 winners or 2 losers yet.
Yeah,
So if he loses, he can take another trade. He can't now. If he has loser, he can't.
yeah,
If he has loser winner, he can even take now a third trade for the power of 3, and either he'll have 2 losers or he'll have 2 winners. So it's basically you stop as soon as you have 2 losers, or you stop as soon as you have 2 winners.
yeah. If
That's
those are
that's
his rules, for
basically what it
sure,
is.
yeah, he can do that.
Yeah. No, I'm saying you can make a club around that. Like instead of the one and done club, you can make the power of 3 club. So everybody has the option to take as many as 3 trades, but you stop when it's 2 winners or 2 losers. And that way, again, the account is very well protected. Everyone, has to agree to the guidelines to a certain amount of risk per trade based on the account
I'm
size.
not a big fan. I like the one and done.
Yeah, I like one and done too.
If people like to do it that way, they can do it that way. I'm not gonna tell people how to trade in it too. Let them do what they want to do.
No, 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 no. You got to have guidelines. You got to have guidelines because
Yeah,
then
the
it's
one and
silly.
done.
Yeah, I mean, if you come in, you do one and done, and the guy risks the account with 25 trades, what's the point of being in the one and done club? At that point, be in the obsessive gambler club. The point of joining this is, if you're joining a bowling league,
But
go
that's why it's
bowling.
better than one and done. Because if you take a losing trade and you're just done for the day, you already know you switch accounts, go to other types of accounts. But for the one and done, you got your 3 accounts on that platform. You take a loser, you're done. People don't have
Yeah,
to
yeah,
over risk and start gambling and say, oh, I took 3. Let me just take a 30. You won't know.
yeah,
One and done. You close your account. If you want, you
yeah.
could do that on
But
your channel.
but no, David, no full porting because that's again, you're not protecting the account. The idea is to protect the accounts, to show people how to protect an account and how to make this a long game, make it consistent, make it sustainable,
Yeah, but they're
where
all
you're not.
sustainable. They're all different ways of managing your risk. It's whatever you want to do. Let them manage them how they want to manage it.
No, because they're blowing accounts. You're helping people not to blow their
Yeah,
accounts.
I find the more trades you take, the more risks you are of blowing an account because you put a higher limit on how many trades you could take a day. I
Yeah,
think
no, but
in
but
that club,
Dave,
if you take one trade and you take a loser and you're done for the day for those specifically 3 accounts, higher probabilities are of their gambling a lot less because they're
yeah,
done.
but David wrote full port. No, you can't full
He's
port.
joking.
Well, regardless,
Sarcasm, Mike.
yeah, but some people are going to think about it also. Didn't I sign up? But is it too late? No, Teddy, you can sign up either in my Discord or in Omnius's Discord. If you want to do the one and done, as soon as Alex gets his Discord up, you can go there. But for the $100 club, no, it's not too late. I'm probably going to make exceptions for for what do they call it? For OGs, for regulars like you. Teddy Graham, you're a regular man. How can Teddy get stuffed Graham not get an exception? So for someone new that I don't know their name, they're on the waiting list. But yeah, Teddy, I'll throw you in. I might even have a couple of dropouts, anyways. To be honest with you. Yo, bro, get stuffed. I love that little teddy bear, man. With the finger. What was the movie where the teddy bear came to life and he was
Ted.
smoking weed? Oh, yeah, that's it. Was Ted. In the meantime, I missed a long trade.
So funny, Ted.
I didn't even think about it. I didn't look at it, didn't see it, and of course, that's the one that goes, huh? Isn't it always like that? Okay, something is way off. Let me minimize this. Go back here, angry ace, edit strategy, synchronize, immediately submit, long. It should be long. Yeah, there we go. Long with a target. Perfect. I don't know what the problem was. And I still didn't open up my Bullinox account. Hey, did you hear what happened to me today?
Nope.
I love it. I was long a 4 lot or a 5 lot. I don't even remember, right?
Mm,
I wanted to get out. I click, but I'm only looking at the chart. I'm not looking at the price. I'm kind of looking at the bars forming,
yeah.
and my peripheral vision on NinjaTrader sees the line with the trade, but I'm not specifically looking at it. So I don't see the size and I don't see the profit. I click to get out, sell. It doesn't get out. I get angry. I click again.
Did
I
you keep
click
buying?
again. I click again. I'm buying. But the thing is, the market was running. That's why I was clicking in a panic.
Mm,
And then I look, what the fuck? Why isn't it working? I click at the buy market. I think I was up to like 34 lots or 32 lots. I was supposed to make 300, 400 on the trade. I made $1,841.
crazy.
Do you know how rare it is that it works out in your favor, though, when
Yeah.
that happens?
I know, I know.
It always sticks it to you.
Yeah.
Mm, 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 Yeah, I really think we're gonna probably make a run
All-time highs.
for the previous day's high. Thing is, last time I thought that also for 30,000, and we just stayed under it like that by about
Yeah, but now
20,
yes took it, you know?
yeah, 20, 30 points for forever. Right under it, just went sideways. So let's see. Can I find just quick scalps, little scalps, 1 lot scalps? Mhm. It's a great time to scalp, actually. I'm not sure how many people can trade at this hour. I don't even know. I'm not even looking to see if there's anybody in the room watching. But you know what? For people, if they want to learn how to scalp, I got to tell you, this is a really good time because it's really slow.
David, I'm reading your chats. I'm not gonna read that out loud what you're writing. It's like no one reads chats here. Yeah, bro, I'm
Tell
reading.
tell Justin to find some maturity there. Now I forgot what I wanted to do. Oh yeah, I remember. It's so funny. I click on it and I see your thumbnail, and I keep thinking it's for your stream.
Uh,
Guys, if you want to go over to Alex's and give him a like and give him a sub, which would be great. Kind of like to see that channel grow. There's my thing here.
you guys are
Let
all
me
all
get
welcome. I'll drop my address in the chat.
let me give you a link over here. Stop calling me the old guy. I'm not the old guy, I'm grandpa. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy to see. The ER. Why don't you get online and make that joke to my face,
That's
big
a good one.
shot?
That's a good one.
Get online, make that joke to me. Easy to hide behind the chat.
Old
Show
man
your
blows funded in ER.
show your face.
Eh, Teddy liked the joke.
Yeah,
Booyah.
yeah. So there you go, guys. I posted the link like 17 times. Uh, Head on over. There he is. Click the link. That'll bring you to his stream, which is the same as this. We're doing it exactly like Omnius. 2 cameras, both voices, different charts. Why watch my charts when you see them all day? Go over, take a look at how he has his charts up. And actually, you know what? We always have an argument that his charts are nicer looking than mine. Actually, I'd be curious about the feedback.
Throw a poll.
If you guys find his charts better than mine, I can change the way my charts are. I'm used to it like that.
Do a
But
poll in your chat. Ask.
well, they won't know. I can't put a link so that they won't really know to go right over.
Okay, okay.
In the meantime, let me see if I got any news about those $59 accounts. But let me just put up the Apex ad here for a second.
Great deal for Apex, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Use code FLOOR, 90% off.
95% off.
95 now?
If you buy a bundle of 5, yeah.
Wow. Oh, lucky JC. What does that mean? You got a chat bot here.
He's making a joke.
What's the
So
joke?
no, wait a sec. Just so you know how to read that little graph or chart over there, on the top you have end of day drawdown with activation or no activation. So let's say you want an end of day drawdown of 50K account with no activation, it's 109, but if you buy 5 of them, it's 445. With activation, it's $45 for one account or $195 for 5, so that would be $40. If you go down to the trailing drawdown, again, 50K, that's the most popular one. If you want to pay an activation, one account is 24 or 5 is 95. So that's 20 bucks an account with activation. And if you don't want to pay activation, it's 79 for one, but 345 for 5. That comes out to $69, no activation, 5 accounts. That's pretty damn good. That's pretty much the cheapest I've ever seen it. I know everyone's grabbing the no activation with Take Profit Trader, and they're paying $90. So this is this is $21 cheaper than that. So if you guys are planning on picking up any accounts with this sale over here, like I said, if you go for the bundle, it's 95% off. I really don't think you're going to see that too often, and that'd be great if you guys can help support the channel. It's always appreciated. I'm streaming like 20 hours a day now. My fingers are bleeding from pressing the mouse so many times.
Code FLOOR. Don't forget. At checkout.
Don't forget. It's a shame because I don't speak English. That was funny. Wow, nice run on this trade here. Are we long anywhere? No, hey, we just took
Me,
profit.
no.
I'm not running.
Unfortunately, I don't have any longs here.
Yeah, and I'm not running the one that holds it.
And any longs worth of play. All-time highs, the shorts always get
Mhm.
burned. We're not there yet, huh? Maybe the 2 o'clock open will bring us.
Yeah, look at the difference in the afternoon. One short trade at 13.15 and one long trade at 13.38. About it's so. If you go back to 9 o'clock, where is it? Boom, boom, boom. Look at that in the morning. Short, long. Short was a loser. Long profit. Short winner. Long winner. Short winner. Long winner. Short winner. This is a short, it's a loser, and then a long a winner. So basically, when you get a short that's a loser and a long that's a winner, that's pretty much a scratch. You guys can see right about there. This is what you lose. This is what you win. So within like 2 minutes, you're back to break even, and then you win and you win and you win and you win and you win. 5 winners. This is a long 6 winners. Then we have a loser, but we have a winner. So you're scratched again. Then a winner and a winner. And then of course we go into the after. This is a short because it's on red bars. Winner, green, long, winner. I'm telling you guys, this is about 80% accurate. Winner, 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 and winner. And we just had a winner, and that's a winner. That's a winner. Oh yeah, that's the one we took just when we were in the stream. We already took that. Long at 313, hoping we push the 50s.
For Teddy, push.
Eh,
What?
no, I'm getting a call from the person I had a meeting with there in the afternoon,
Yeah.
but I can't answer now. I'll just let her know. How do you text someone that called you?
How do you
Message.
text someone that called you? Click the
Yeah,
number
yeah,
and
no,
there
no,
should be
yeah,
a
no, no,
message on
yeah,
it.
no, I got it.
All right, well, I'm not looking for shorts until we take previous day high. I think long is the play here. How'd you do today in the morning? You did good?
Hold on. Well, mostly good. I mean, pretty spectacular, I would almost say, except for that one account there, $1,000.
Yeah.
My disease bit me again. It was a counter trend trade. When my system said buy, I went short. I refused to take the loss because I shouldn't even have been in the trade. So what did I do? I added and I added till I added twice, I think, until I was down $1,000, and then I tapped out and said, okay, that's it. I'll come back tomorrow. That was enough. That's half the drawdown. So stupid, so frustrating, and I just can't believe I still do it. It baffles my mind. It really does. Especially now. I mean, I'm so used to scalping with the trend, and I'm so
Yeah.
good at it. I'm really, 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 really good at it.
Especially in these markets, bro. The trend is the way to go.
Yeah. Oh my God. Mm. Long at 313. I read that one.
Did you see if there's any news this morning that had that big green candle like of 150 points in like 10 seconds?
That was,
What
yeah, the
was that?
announcement. Trump
What did he announce?
got a deal from Iran, but he has to sleep on it for 3 days.
Uh,
He's not sure.
is that actually what he said?
Yeah, something like that. I guess he didn't get all that he wants. Would you ever take a retest trade? Like, let's say we break the all-time highs on NQ. Let's say we break it by 20 points and then we come down. Are you ever looking to take a retest trade?
No, not
Is
in
that
my
part of your
playbook.
That's not part of your playbook now? So are you a
Never
breakout
backed this
trader
thing.
in general? I mean, people probably find it strange that I ask questions because they probably imagine you're trading right beside me, but he's not trading right
Am I a
beside me.
breakout trader? No, I'm not a breakout trader. I don't think.
You always you
Never heard of
always need
breakout traders.
Yeah, you always need, I think, a
Not
little
in
bit
the
of a
ICT community, unfortunately.
mm. MKC. Thanks for joining in, MKC. Your name makes me in the mood for McDonald's.
Thought you were gonna say for KFC.
or Kentucky Fried Chicken, but my brain is always on McDonald's. Boom, 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 boom. What is this?
So apparently Trump's family made like $6 billion together since he came in office and for trading
I don't believe any of that. I don't believe anything I see anymore on
on the news.
yeah. Oh my God, I forgot. I'm sorry. You're right, you told me. Hey, Miss K, good. You're someone I can ask a favor of. Here you go. Hold on.
Miss K, you spoke to me about Miss K once.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You see, we even speak about you. Click the link. Go over to Alex's
Mike speaks
site.
about you.
Yeah, okay, relax. Only good things. Click the link and go give him a sub and a like. I asked a whole bunch of people yesterday and everybody let me down. I was so disappointed. What do I got to do? Filters, color correction.
If we close this
Lucky
for value gap
JC.
on this candle, I'm gonna take it short.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That's a real setup or are you forcing a
Yeah, I don't
trade?
know, real setup.
It's not tradertainment, huh?
No. I don't do tradertainment.
It's tempting in the beginning.
Let me
That's the
just set it
problem.
up here. 9.
Why is this not working? No, you gotta be kidding me. This is such a shitty piece of software, OBS.
Might get the trade here.
Oh, I know why. Minimized.
Yeah, I'm gonna be in here.
Order filled.
What
Wait 1 second, let me just set it up.
scalp? Sparky, don't bother me. What time frame you looking at? You were talking about a fair value gap. 1 minute again?
Yeah, I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade short.
Yeah, I'll come over in a second. I want to see where that is. Hey, be good for me also to see what you guys do.
If it takes that low, I'm gonna move it to break even on NQ.
Done, Mike and Alex. Thank you.
I
You know,
moved
Miss
my
K,
I moved it to break even.
Yeah, I'm never gonna remember, Miss K, that it's you, eh? You're gonna have to remind me all the time. You do remember how bad my memory is, I hope, eh? Ah, poor Mikey. I'm always forgetting things. Hey, Sparkles.
We almost got it. We almost got it there. Don't edge me. It'd be nice to take a win on stream too, you know?
Mm.
Order filled.
Are we do we see the trade? How
Yeah,
come I
give
don't
me
see
give me
the
1 second, yeah, because I took it on M&Q, but wait, let me just I don't want to share all my accounts here, so give me a second. I'll show you.
Oh no, it's
I
fine, it's fine.
think I got it.
Yeah, it's, I said good genes. They have such well, he's got a twin brother. They have a really good looking father. You know, it's great. I don't have Omni. It's knocking me down here. I can promote myself more. I could sneak in some self compliments.
There you go. I think you got it. You see it on my stream now.
Yeah.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Woohoo!
Good job. And that was the fair value gap, that little pink thing that I see over there.
No, I'll dry it out for you. This was the trade technically. I'll dry it out.
I was talking crap about you. No, I got it up. I said, everyone can talk crap about me. It's not bad that
My
he can
entry.
trash talk me. I like a raunchy show. I trash talk him too. Yes, I wasn't saying it in a bad way. I just
My
meant
entry
that
was at 25, 325,
down there.
25, and I went for a 1-for-1. Yeah, this was my trade.
Yeah.
Let me just move stuff around here. I don't know what I have. What's going on? How come I can't move my chat? Oh, I think I have an idea. This is what I have to do.
So for me, ignorantly, all I'm seeing over there is a sweep of the previous swing high from 1 o'clock, and then an eye of VG, an inverted fair value gap. You don't even have a market structure shift the way I'm seeing it.
No, that's exactly it. I could give you this trade. Here's my setup technically. You need a sweep of equal bodies or a sweep of equal highs or a high. So for example, over
Yeah.
here we had a sweep of equal bodies. And now you want the next candle to close below the green body. Okay, you need to close below a green body.
Mm-hmm.
That's technically it, but you don't want it to close in a fair value gap. If it ends up being near a fair value gap, you need it to at least close the fair value gap. So in this case, it closed the fair value gap, and you go for a 1-for-1. I got in at
Yeah.
25.25. I put it for 1-for-1, and it hit 1.02. It was perfect. Shabang.
Guys, if you want to see his charts, you got to click on and head on over to his side of the pond, eh? You got to go onto his stream. This is a co-stream. He's got his charts up.
What did someone write? What is that? Cute son you have. Must look like you, cause poor Mike, lol.
Oh, I
That's
read it
not
wrong.
nice.
I didn't know that was to JC. I thought that was to me. I thought you
Yeah.
saying to me, "Hey, Mike, cute son you have. Must look like you."
No. I'm like my mommy.
Okay. Well, I'm slow today, huh? So yeah, guys, if you want to see the setup, it's all from his mama. Yeah. If you guys want to see the setup, it's still marked up on his chart. Hit the sub while you're there. And for me, I'm curious if I would have had an entry on the 15-second chart. I'm going to switch over here to 15-second. 15-second. When I'm trying to match his entries, when I know kind of what they're looking at, I try to find it on the 15-second chart. So let's see where I would have found it. I'll tell you what I would have looked for. I would have looked for a break of a swing low. So here's our first break and close below the swing low. After that, I want to see a break of an internal swing high for it to be an A trade, an A plus trade. So we broke an internal swing high, but I am looking to go short. Now I can do a short in two ways, but my favorite is change in state of delivery, and I'm pretty aggressive. So I would have entered over here at, this is the close below these two bullish candles over here on the 15-second chart. I would have entered in at about, looks like 33.28. What did you get your entry at?
I got it at 325.25.
Okay, so the 15-second gets me in a little bit earlier. And if I do F8,
Wow, Mike's flexing on his son.
that would have been my stop over there. Now the favorite, if you want an A plus 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 entry, you wait for it to retrace to the 50% line.
I have a question. What are you talking
That
about?
way,
You're talking about your own trades. No, how would you get in on a better
yeah.
price on my trade? This is
No,
my
no, no,
trade.
no. My trade, my trade, my
Oh,
trade.
okay.
I'm showing how I would have entered. If you would have told me, look for a short setup, this is how I would have done it. And if I want it to be an A triple plus setup entry, I wait for it to retrace 50%, because then it's 3-1 just to come down to here.
Yeah.
I lose a half an R, and then I make 3 half R's, a half an R and half an R and half an R. If you go to 2-1, you get 5-1 on the trade. It makes a huge difference. But in this case, yeah, this trade, no problem, no loss, no nothing, no pain.
No
Went
pain,
right to
no gain.
target. No pain on this one. It went
I
right to
know, Mike,
target.
it's a joke. No pain, no gain. It's a
Yeah,
saying.
no pain. Saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
And
You're
I
going
must go
long?
long
I see
again.
you going long. Going long late, huh?
No, not going long.
Ah,
That's
but
the bot.
okay. If you would have asked me to go long, though, I would have had a better price than you, though. I would have entered.
No. You know I can turn your mic off, right?
I would have entered on the open at 9:30. I would have held till today, till end of day.
Uh, well, no, that's my bot over there, which is still very good, eh? You guys got to remember this one is it activated? And it just took a loser. Let me go over here. Yeah, we just took a loss. So most likely you're going to see this continuation, and it's going to take a profit, which is going to turn this into basically a scratch. What did we lose? 15 to 30. We lost 15 points, and we're going for 11. So you'd be down net 4 points.
It was cool. I almost had no drawdown.
Yeah.
3-minute trade. Do, 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 do.
I'm going to take this one on my Bullinox if I can get a decent
Did I hear
price.
you
Let
say
me
before change in the state of delivery? You said A++ change in the state of delivery?
A plus plus if I can A plus 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 if I can get that 50% retrace.
But
That's
did you say change in the state of delivery?
my entry is to close below what do you guys call those? The order blocks or whatever? The bullish order block?
Well, I don't know what it is for you. You maybe have a different definition.
Yeah, it could be. I made it my own. David showed me a little bit for about an hour, 2 hours, and then I
Yeah, but
made it a
where's your
little
order
more
block? What were you talking about? I'm confused. I want to know what you were saying. Maybe I'll help you on that too.
here on the 15-second.
Oh, on the 15 second.
Yeah. So can you see tell me when you can see my chart. Let me go to my thing. I'll see it with you. Okay. So you see my chart
Uh,
on my stream?
Let me see. Yeah, go ahead.
So once I start looking for whatever the condition is, when I start looking for a counter trend trade, the conditions were met, I'm looking for a short. Step one, a close below an internal low. So there's my close. If I'm looking for a short, there's my close below the internal low.
Okay,
I'll
yeah.
wait till it shows up on the stream. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Step two, for it to be an A trade, I need to at least break an internal high now. That's the retrace. So I'm seeing on the stream, there's the break of the internal high. You got
Okay.
those dotted lines there?
Yeah.
And now these bullish candles here for me is a bullish order block. And because
Wait,
of that
what?
bullish order,
Those
these
bullish
candles here,
Yeah, that's not a bullish order block, Mike.
it is for me.
Oh, okay. So you have a different definition than what the term actually means.
And I need to close below that. I need to close below that. So that's a close below it. However, since I'm an aggressive trader, I could also have used this one. If we got a close below, I might have used that one.
So
But in
just
this case, what are
just
you
call it
laughing?
just call it bullish candles. I don't think you know what a bullish order block is. It's you're on the wrong color.
Then a bearish order block. Call it whatever you want to call it. I don't give a shit. That's my entry. And it's a solid trade. We can make up our own terms. It's a rest test. That's the rest. That's the little retrace, the pullback, the rest test, and then we got to close below it for a short. Now let me see if I can imitate it on the long side. Okay, tell me when you see the charts for the long. You see the low over here? Wait, I'm watching.
I see your low, yeah.
Okay, so the first thing we need now, if we want to
Mike,
go
you don't
long,
have
is
to
the
wait. You could continue talking, and as I see you on the chart, I follow through it. Don't worry.
yeah. So here, if I want to go long, step one, the break of the internal high. There's the break of the internal high. Wait, I'll wait for my mouse to move. Okay, you should be seeing it. Now,
Mike, I told you just keep talking. It will follow. When I hear you and I see you do it on the stream, you don't have to wait.
no, it gets confusing. It gets
Not for me.
confusing.
It's confusing for you, not for me. Just go
So
for it.
for it to be an A plus trade, I need now a break of an internal low, but we didn't get that. But what we did get is we got a bearish candle, and if we close above that bearish candle, I'll also enter it. I'll put my stop right there, but I'll call it a B minus trade because we didn't get the condition of closing below an internal low.
Are you talking about
And
going
the
long right
only
now?
yeah, if I were to
Yeah.
go long,
Your red
if I
candle becomes a bullish order block.
and if I wanted to wait for a close below for uh, a candle to go below an internal low, it would have been over here. But that's long already. It's too far away. I like it when it happens early. You know, it comes down like this, and then goes.
Yeah.
So the other setup was beautiful. Anyways, let's get back to trading. Oh, wow. Markets, this might be a stop out. A double stop out? That's really rare.
What do you mean? What happened to my screen here?
Oh, for me, from the bot, a double stop out. And now it's going to go short. I think I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it in my Bullinox account. That's 2 losers in a row. I'm going to go with what's the probability of 3 losers in a row. I got to say it's low. Doesn't mean it can't happen. But I'm going to take in a quick partial just to absorb some of the loss. Should the trade lose, I'm short at 18. I'll take maybe 6 points. There's the 12. I didn't get filled yet. I'm bidding at 12. Boom, I'm out at 12, so I have 6-point profit on half. Not really a lot, but now if I get stopped out and I lose, let's say 15 points, I really only lose 9 points. So I've eliminated a lot of the pain from this trade, a lot of the potential possible pain, and now I can let it go down to 05. I'll put in my bid at 05 because there's a high likelihood we're going there.
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock. Maybe
Ladies.
you get a bit of speed. We could maybe even go down to 238.50 over here.
Yeah.
The low of the
Well,
of 12 o'clock.
I'm
We
not
could get a
crazy
huge
about that.
sell-off, huh?
Yeah,
No, we
I'm
don't
not
have to
crazy
take
about.
all-time highs now. We could come back in Asia and even tomorrow. Or we could
Yeah,
even keep it as an SMT. So keep your options open.
I'm not even crazy about that swing low there at 2 o'clock. I'm gonna lighten up a little bit because of that.
I mean, we are rejecting lower.
Yeah, I just took a little bit more off.
We can even push and take that internal high at 1354. So for me, for now, the shorts look a little bit cleaner. All depends what it does in this last little fair value gap at 1337. We'll see what it does in there. If it wants to go play
We're getting
around.
to take profit at 05.
You'll get it. You'll get it.
A little more.
Get ready, Mike. It's coming. What did I say?
What did I say? He's taking credit for my trade.
Oh yeah, on your bearish order block on the wrong side of the candles. Yeah.
No, this one here, this is my trade. What are you talking about? I'm working. I'll be in and out. Sounds good, Darth. Darth, did you go over to his side of the pond and subscribe? Here's a link. I called this short a long time ago. This was mine. This was my short off the screen, off the
I heard
charts
you.
you
I
see on
heard
the
you, Mike. You
screen.
said it 6 times. I heard you. You're short.
Oh, yeah. No, from the bot. Remember the bot had 2 losers?
Yep.
So I jumped on this one on my Bullinox account.
Yeah, so to continue as I was saying is we'll see what this last for value gap in the leg does.
Woof, I'm not paid to take this level of abuse.
If we flip it, I'll change my bias to bearish
Yeah, Darth I think was around yesterday anyways.
for the afternoon.
I think he subbed already.
Every time Megan joins, she gets a little heart. Do you see it?
No, I don't. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Wow, your camera's really clear.
For real, you find it clear?
Yep. Very clear, but your lighting for me it sucks.
Mike, the light's in my face.
Yeah, well, it's no good. You need a different light. Okay, back to studying. Sounds good, Meg.
I'm tanning.
Yeah.
Megan says it's very nice. There you go. You see how we rejected right into that last for value gap of the leg?
You always have to say on the 1 minute for me. On the 1 minute.
Always on the 1 minute. If it's on a higher time frame, I'll say on the 15 or the 5.
Yeah.
Hey,
I
Dar,
got you
thank you for
full screen.
joining. Yeah, normally when it's on the 1 minute, I don't really say 1 minute. I just talk as is. Anyways, we'll see what it does now. Yeah, it reacted in it. It's a strong push up. Might be one last manipulation before taking the all-time highs.
I might get along. I'll tell you if I get one. It would be at 17. 17 bid has to hold.
Yeah.
I like this song.
What song?
Sorry, guys. I think it's called Dun 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 Dun. I have no idea.
Sing it, sing it.
Yeah, right.
We're not live. I turned off my live. Just sing it. Promise.
Yeah. Dun 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 Dun.
Went to the gym this morning at 7:30 to walk for 30 minutes on incline.
Oh wow, good job.
Yeah, it's hard getting up. To be honest, I slept poorly too.
Incline is hard. You do it flat, it's good, but on an incline,
Not too much incline. I don't know what treadmills go up to, but I had it on. Look where.
oh.
Look at the strong reaction. I told you. Look, last fair value gap of the leg is where we're gonna determine.
I
What are you
got you
doing?
full screen. Fuck off. I'm trying to get into my long. Remember 17?
Oh, I was talking. You just started blabbing over me.
There we go. 14. Okay, sorry. I was scrambling because my screen was blocked. I was panicking. Go ahead.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like as I said before, depending on my bias stayed bullish until we inversed the last fair value gap of the leg at 1337. But look, we reacted nice off it and pushed up. So we'll see where it takes us.
Come on, don't give me a losing trade. Fuck.
So
It
for
was gonna be
now, you should only be taking longs.
Yeah, it was gonna be 4 trades, and you're gonna give me 2 losers.
Is it the bot or Renko?
Renko. I'm not looking at the bot right now.
Yeah, I'm surprised we didn't get a little bit pushed up. We reacted off 2 o'clock though, huh? Solid. That's why I try to avoid trades as well. Me and David avoid trades when we're bashing into 2 o'clock, especially that hour mark. The 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, they're powerful. So like you took a long when we closed right below the 2 o'clock, you know? It's not the best position for a long.
And the CVD's coming down. Boom. We'll see. We'll watch. I'm watching the. Let's see if we can get a close above the previous candle's high. That'll be encouraging for me. CVD came down, but not too much. Actually, CVD is strong, guys. Very strong. I just noticed. This low here is equal with the 414 low, but the volume, the CVD, is way higher. So I think they're just playing with price here on the downside. It doesn't mean the CVD can't turn lower, but right now I think they're just playing around with price before they push it higher again.
Yeah, Mike is a scalper. I learned ICT concepts. And I have
Okay,
a different
relax.
playbook of a couple. No, he's asking me a question. Darth is asking me a
No, I'm
question, and
talking
you
to
just keep
Darth. I was
talking
gonna
over
say,
me.
relax with the half a second. Go. Sorry.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I was saying. I'm more of an ICT trader. Smart money concepts, they call it. But then you learn from ICT, but then you make your own playbook of your own trades that you like. But yeah, I mean normally my trades are a couple minutes long. Like over here, this one was about 2.5 minutes long. A nice clean short for a 1-for-1. Mike and Omnius are special.
Special case. 303 plus 14. Let's get up to 317. I
What do
need
you trade,
CVD to
Darth?
push. I need CVD to hold. CVD is going up a little bit. That's more encouraging.
All right, I'll be right back.
Yep. Now it's coming down. I'm going to take a big loss if this goes down. I really betting on the CVD here. See, that's the thing. That's the one thing I hate about CVD is that it can turn. Let's go CVD hold. Let's get a close above. A previous candle high, not just a wick, a close. Hopefully CVD will hold here. We get the close above. Well, there's a strong candle. And CVD is going again. So my forecast so far is on par, on spot there. There was a pretty big divergence with CVD. Price was going lower. CVD wasn't confirming it. Doesn't mean anything. Like I said, CVD can absolutely collapse, but until it does, it's usually a good indicator to load the boat, back up the truck.
Did I miss a trade here? Look, you see, we reacted again back in that the upper quadrant of the last for value gap. Two black candles and two big green nice candles. You don't have a potential long here on your Renkos?
I am. I'm long. I'm long.
Oh, good, good. Keep it, keep it. Keep it at least till the equal highs at 23.75. If we get a push past 2 o'clock, now you could actually maybe go for the all-time highs.
What are you talking about? 323.75?
On, let me just check on NQ. Oh, on NQ they don't have equal highs, so I take it back. Never mind. All my decisions have to be based on NQ, not MNQ. Yes, sir, lol. I trade all strategies right now. You're talking right now, and I am trading LQ, liquidity sweeps and fair value gaps, learning about momentum trading and getting into chaos theory and fractals. Yeah. Well, everything is fractal. Towards swing trading, I prefer scalps. Yeah, he prefers scalps. All right, cool. Yeah, momentum. Momentum is a big one. Order flow is a big one. If order flow isn't on your side, try to avoid it.
We're due for a winner here. You said 23. I think 33 is going to be hit.
No, I said I take it back. I looked the equal highs are only in MNQ, not NQ.
Yeah, but I still think 33 is going to be hit.
Oh, okay, 33. No, I'm just saying what you said about what I said. Scratch it
Yeah,
off.
scratched.
All scratched. We're pushing again off 2 o'clock. Yeah, to be honest, if you can code a bot and it trades exactly your setup, it's phenomenal. Removes all emotion. Mike, are you
Yep,
here? Okay, you're still here.
I
I
am.
didn't hear you for a second. You went quiet. It's rare. I'm used to you. Sorry, algos and bots. Yeah, for me, bots are the best. But to be honest, like there is discretion behind every trade. Unless you find a strategy that you don't need at all discretion and it's all pure technical and you can code it in your bot, then yeah, go for it for sure. Too many rules, you know? I have too many rules. Like when you took a short against 2 o'clock, me and David try to avoid the 10 a.m. opens and the 2 o'clock opens. When we're going to push against it, I don't want to go against it, you know? To be honest, there was decent price action today. It wasn't horrible.
It's not bad, yeah.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too shabby. The last fair value gap of the leg is of the whole range is a huge support zone. It's crazy how often it holds. If you have, of course, higher time frame. Bullish areas you still want to target, like previous day high. You still in a long? You said you were looking for a long.
No, I was in the long. I was targeting 33, but I got out already. I blew my load. I made my money. Yeah, I'm doing good. Trading a little aggressive, having fun.
Do you use bots right now, Darth? What's the difference, Mike, an algo and a bot?
Nothing.
Nothing, right? Because he
Nope.
wrote algos and bots.
Yeah. Algos, bots, expert advisors, auto traders.
Dun, 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 dun. Pretty bullish momentum for now.
Well, I'm so glad it's Thursday. I need a break, man. Yeah, sometimes the markets are easy. Not all the time, but sometimes the markets are easy. If you just sit back and wait. Yeah, you guys wait. I don't do any waiting. I'm always clicking.
You think we're done tomorrow? For the Canadians, Mike?
Yeah. Tomorrow, maybe not, but I think we're done. That's it.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow we get one lucky game if they come out swinging like animals, but I think the conclusion's already written out.
Mm, There's no coming back.
But to be honest, it's either their defense is very impressive or our offense are completely clueless on what they're doing.
Well, this is still a valid long with a stop out of around 302. So if you're targeting 33, that's 20 points with a 10-point stop. It's a 2-to-1 right here. And it's an 80% trade. Right now it's an 80% trade with a 2-to-1.
We're playing ping pong with 2 o'clock open.
Let me draw it out. Let me get the levels for you guys. By the time I do it, it's going to be too late. 23 at 17. 23 at 17. 17, that's the 23. 04. That's the stop. That was the entry right there. The killer entry at 13. I'm calling it a little bit late, but that was the entry right there. That's your stop. 0450. I'm going to take it. I have an opportunity to take it. I got in at 11. So my stop is about 7 points. Much better to enter, though, when the markets are going up than when the markets are going down. Like that green candle is a much better entry than me taking it now when it's going down.
Yeah, I told you, like, again, look, we went long, we reacted right on 2 o'clock again. We touched it and just shot back down.
But if
Doesn't
it
look like
doesn't,
we want to push through it.
see,
So I
yeah,
avoid it.
see,
When it does that, I avoid it.
Yeah, CVD's coming down also. Oh,
You got to be careful around the 10 o'clock open and the 2 o'clock open, midnight. Those are the main three times that are very powerful, you know?
yeah, my brain's too old for that kind of complex
Hey, you
analysis.
put it on. It's on my chart. Look, take a look at my stream. You have it marked out.
Yeah, it's
Possible to
holding, it's
miss.
holding. It's holding. I gotta get out. Okay, I'm out. Oh well. Can't all be winners. How much did I give back? I gave back $60. No big deal. Small loser. Oh, sorry.
What's up?
Fuck off. You're gonna stop me out and then go. Oh, I left the Apex ad on. I was so involved in the other computer. I forgot the Apex ad was on. I'm gonna hit it again if we close. We did close. I can't avoid it.
You keep hitting it straight on 2 o'clock.
I don't even know
It,
what that
it
means.
burns you 3 times, and you're gonna get burned again. I don't know. You
What does
keep
that
putting your
mean
hand on
at
the
2
stove.
o'clock? It's not 2 o'clock. It's 2:32.
No, that's not what I said. I said the 2 o'clock open. You keep taking
Yeah, I
longs
know
when we're
that.
bashing against it, and it's holding pretty aggressively.
Yeah, the 2 o'clock level. Yeah, but it's got to
We
trade on both
respected
sides
it
of the
once,
range.
and then we came back up, swept that high, closed right back in under, and then we came up, touched it again, and shot back down pretty quick.
Yeah, but if we go up to 24, we're going to 31. And again, I have about a 7-point stop. The entry, if I had to rate it, it was just that candle there, the bullish candle. Yeah, not a good entry at all. I agree with you.
Wow, I'm boring. I only have one viewer. Nobody likes me.
No, it's the afternoon. It's dead anyways. Once you start streaming overnight, you'll build an audience.
Yeah, the range is becoming tighter.
Mm.
It's not fun when it does that. It burns both sides, you know? Seek and destroy. Just to let you know, at 3 o'clock I gotta go, okay?
Yeah.
I should look into it, creating my own bot for this strategy. Be able to turn it on and off with discretion as well if I was able to.
Yeah. Yeah, you just click the enable and disable button. That's
Yeah, I
what I do.
remember. Yeah, it was great. Easy as 1, 2, 3. It was very fun when I had
Hmm.
that bot. I remember our bot on gold, able to turn it on and off whenever you want.
Yeah.
It was very fun like that.
Hey, AI makes it so accessible now to everybody.
Yeah, for real.
What time do you say I gotta go?
At 3 o'clock.
Yeah, 3:30. Okay.
3 o'clock. I don't really like trading past 3, to be honest.
Mm.
I know people call it the power hour from 3 to 4, but I'm really not a fan of 3 to 4 o'clock. I like
I
2
find
o'clock.
there's
It's the last injection of liquidity, and then maybe you get the last 15 minutes of 3:45 to 4 o'clock. But no, I don't enjoy it.
that's it. The 3:45 to 4 o'clock. That's another time that I like to trade. I don't do it too often though.
The what?
3:45 to 4 o'clock.
Yeah. 1418. No trade for me here. Where's NQ? Another big SMT with YM, 30 minute and 90 minute.
And it looks like we're going to take a dump now.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. I think we might even dump for the rest of the afternoon till the 12 to 1 o'clock low. All the way down at, where is it here? 238.50. We can get a big crash low till then. We're overextended so much, you know? Look at the day. But on days like this, you have to be so careful. Risk less on shorts because you get burned more often than not.
Damn. You look at the daily chart occasionally, or really not?
Yeah, I do. I could take a look at it now. It's
crazy strong,
insane.
man.
I know.
It's parabolic. I mostly just use hard, fast rules. No algos.
Look at the low in April. We had 16,400 in April. We're at 30,000. We hit 30,400.
Yeah.
That's
Had we known, we
insane.
could have cleaned up with options. Had we known.
Imagine taking an options call in the beginning of April, and you take it. It's at 16,000, and you take like what do you call it? The strike price of like 16,000, like 900 or 17,000 for the month of May, like the end of May, and you're at 30,000. Oh my God. Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Yeah, can't we just go back in time one time?
Go back in time, I'd go back to like 2010, 2013, whatever, and I'd throw all my money in Bitcoin.
Shit, Bitcoin, yeah. Go back to when that was a penny.
Oh my God, you'd be a trillionaire today. You'd be the first trillionaire.
You'd be the richest man in the world.
Yeah. All right, we inverted the last leg of the last fair value gap of that leg. Let's see what we get here.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. I didn't have lunch today. I wasn't hungry. I ate breakfast, and during lunch I wasn't hungry.
I had eggs for lunch.
I had eggs for breakfast.
Not exactly very exciting. Well, let's get a little push here. Not much. Just give me...
Long or short you're going for right now?
Long. Give me 10 points.
Do you see my stream?
No, I closed it because I don't know. I closed it. Oh, wait, no, it's not true. I do. Yes, I do. Sorry about that. That was not an accurate statement.
Yeah, I was gonna say, if you're looking at my stream, this would be a potential nice short if this candle closes below the two green ones.
You mean the current candle, right?
Yeah, the current candle right now. If it doesn't close this candle, then just scratch it off. No trade. We'll see. 20 seconds, anything could happen.
Yep.
Also, if it takes the high, scratch it off as well. 10 seconds.
See, Delta's going higher though. If you see on my chart.
Oh yeah, it's okay. It won't happen in 3 seconds. No
doesn't
trade.
mean anything. Delta can always turn, but
what do you use as indicators? You use Delta. I know you have a couple EMAs occasionally.
No.
Not anymore?
The bands in Delta, that's it.
What are the bands? The bands are EMAs, no?
No. The average directional index.
Okay.
Based on the volume moving average. Little complex. But the thing is I like about them is they'll trade sideways.
Yeah.
I don't know if you could see over here, but they indicate when you're really not likely to go anywhere.
Yeah.
It's not always sloping up or sloping down. They do take breaks. I find it pretty much the most accurate to really catch trends, nice long trends. I got to post it in the indicators channel. I haven't gotten a chance yet.
There are so many indicators that one could potentially use.
Yeah, there's no holy grail. You can use anything. Even a moving average is good
Yeah,
enough.
VWAP, moving averages. To be honest, I think
Oh
the
my
best is
God.
just order flow. You watch how price reacts on certain levels and you try to go with the trend. That mainly is A1.
We say I would go so far as to say nothing is as good as VWAP. If you take a VWAP and you add 10 points and subtract 10 points to VWAP and you create a band, that's going to catch massive moves. Massive moves.
Well, if you go plus up, plus 10 up, plus 10 down, you're not really catching moves. You're playing the
No, no, no,
normalized
no,
distribution of the market.
no. That's your band. And if you're above the plus 10, you're going long. And if you're below the minus 10, you're going short. You're going to catch huge moves. You know what? I'm gonna do that actually. I'm going to show you maybe for tomorrow or next week. Oh, it's going to be super powerful. I've done it a few times. It's insane.
I don't do that. I'm good.
Yeah, Martin will like it. Somebody will
VWAP,
like it.
VWAP. To be honest, I have no indicators in terms of like strength, you know? All my indicators are just equal highs and SMTs and my sessions. That's it.
Do you have VWAP up on any of your chart?
I just told you I have no VWAP and no indicators for relative strength or momentum or nothing at all. I just have only thing I have is I have something called BPRs,
Yeah.
balanced price ranges, and SMTs. That's all really I look at, to be honest. SMTs my biggest confluence. I love SMTs.
Okay, so let my chart change here to a 1 minute. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let me put up a VWAP.
Hindsight on a day like today.
Oh, it'll work all the time. Doesn't matter. So VWAP is blue.
Yep.
Oh, I'm telling you now, my chart VWAP is blue.
Yeah, no, I responded yes.
Yeah. So, I mean, you would have gone short. I can't really see over there, but look at the move you would have caught. It would have been huge. Remember, it's a 10 point. So it's a 60, 70. You would have gone short here. You would have gone long, and that's it. I think that's it. So you would be one short, one loss, one winner. And if I go back to yesterday, oh no, it would catch massive moves. I'm going to do it. If I go back to yesterday, you would have gone short. The break below VWAP. Look at the size of the move. Fuck. It's
Oh
one
yeah, we're
o'clock.
unidirectional. We've been very strong, but like I said, you have to have different trades for different conditions. You cannot trade that on a day that we're partially consolidating. You'll take yourself like 15 losers in a day.
No, because the band saves you because you created a band. You've created like a fence that has a little bit of wiggle room.
You switch too much strategies, you. Every day a new strategy. It's too much. I have three and I'm happy, and I'm looking at a fourth potentially. I have to backtest it a lot more though.
This is huge. This is huge. No, this is good, man. I'm putting this one up. Thank you. Thank you. This is going to do better than Angry Ace V2 and V3. Angry Ace V4.
Are they able to use it? Anyone in your Discord? I saw somebody ask today again, where does he get it?
Yeah, no, I'm not. I didn't make it available yet.
Yeah, I think he asked if he becomes a member in that trading vault, does he get access to it? I think somebody asked that today in the Discord.
Yeah, eventually. Maybe in. Look, I got to work out all the bugs and stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
Mm.
You have to put your disclaimer too. If the like
Oh my God,
anything
yeah.
can happen electronically, any bug in
Yeah.
system error, you shouldn't be responsible for anything like that as well, you know?
Mm. No, it's going to be a trade on demo only kind of. No, I'm not taking responsibility. I'm not an expert coder. This thing can go rogue. You got to have it on. You got to be watching it. You got to know how it works. If you didn't spend the time to learn how it works and what your settings should be.
Yep. Wow, ES is like playing Legos. They look like Lego blocks when you look at ES. There's equal highs everywhere.
Yeah, because it's quarter point and it doesn't move that much.
Yeah. Oy.
It's gotten quiet. Gotten quiet.
Yeah, I told you, I find the only injection of liquidity is like at 1 o'clock till like 1:15, and then around the 2 o'clock area, 1:45 to 2:15 is where you should look for moves too. Like, look, my move happened in the time macro as well too, 1:54. I went short on the as soon as the 1:55 candle closed. Normally those macros, you have an injection of liquidity. But yeah, I don't like anything past 3 o'clock. I saw Patrick Whelan, he trades. He calls it the power hour.
Yeah.
That's what they say. Institutions close their positions in the last, what is it, 15 minutes of the market.
Yeah, and you got a shit ton of market on close orders also.
Yeah.
You get the imbalance report at 350 comes out.
Okay, it's at 350, yeah. I wish that I could lie. Yeah, not looking like I'm gonna have any trades here till 3 o'clock.
Yeah, pretty much same here. I'm done. I might get one more short, but
You went short?
no,
I
I
thought
needed to
I
come
thought I
back.
heard a click.
Yeah, no, I was moving the mic. I got to get a bring down my tablet. I can see your charts a little bit bigger.
Yeah, yeah.
I really got to work on the computer. I got to get the pieces missing for the computer and get it done this weekend.
Yeah, me too. I need my
Whatever,
extra monitor as well, so I
yeah,
could see more
whatever it
and I could
is, it
see
is.
chat better. It's
Yeah, of
hard
course, I
managing all
know.
on two monitors, especially that I need to look at ES and NQ2.
Yeah, and you want to see more of me?
Yeah, more of you.
Yeah, yeah.
I should remove that monitor. Well, I only see shorts for now. I don't see any potential longs.
That's what I'm looking for.
I really like that target. It's like screaming at me 38.75. Not 38. Yeah, 238.75. If we sell off for the rest of the afternoon. Anyways, it'll be for somebody else if they can catch it. I don't trade past 3.
Bum, 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 bum,
3's
bum,
my
bum, bum,
cutoff
bum.
time. Call it a day as well. A nice winner in the afternoon. Better to end it green, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, hey, you know what? I lost like $200, I think, yesterday with the stream with you.
Yeah,
Today I made 900, so plus 700 so far net.
because of me, you mentioned, right?
Absolutely.
It's a joke. Not because of me.
It's the music. I love the music I play. Makes you want to make money.
Yeah, it's too bad YouTube doesn't let you put music in your streams, you know? The
Mm.
copyright's a big one. TikTok lets you do anything though.
Hey, the original bot, that's $2,000-$3,000 days back to back.
Pretty
Trading,
impressive.
yeah, micros, 2 micros.
2 micros. What?
I'm telling you,
2 micros, $2,000. You know how many
two
points you have to
micros
collect? What is that? You have to collect is that 200 points? Or
for
2,000
almost
points?
like, yeah, it's like 800 points. I've reached my goals. I'm calling it a day. Best of luck to you all. Perfect, Petra. Congratulations. I'm proud of you. Good
Bye,
girl.
Petra. Enjoy. Have a good rest of your day.
Hey, the crazy thing is, Martin P., he watches the overnight broadcast. It's the 12-hour video,
Yep.
and he watches it on fast to see how it makes the points. And he goes, holy shit. It's all there. It's all documented, minute by minute, hour by hour. 12-hour videos are up in my live channel. And if you're a member of the channel, then you get the New York session also. It's up all the time. Now it's not being traded, so the numbers aren't moving anymore. Okay, I might get one more short, and I'll take it if I get it. And then I think we'll... 7, 10, 04, 14. Guys, I'm taking a long, targeting 14.
It's crazy. Our trades are so conflicting. A lot of the times that
I
you
know.
say you're long, in my head, I'm like, I wouldn't take any longs here. And I hate when there's a difference between MNQ and NQ.
But it's good because eventually, if you stream enough with me, you get used to it so I don't influence you anymore, you know? Not me in particular, but hearing somebody else's, going long, going short, it
Yeah,
doesn't...
for sure, for sure. In the beginning, especially if you're a beginner, you know how many times you can get influence on taking different trades?
Yeah.
Somebody tells you, "Oh, I would never take shorts here. If you're taking shorts here, you're stupid." And then your trade comes short, and you don't even want to take it because some guy just told you if you take shorts, you're stupid here, you know? And then your trade works, and you're biting your. Yeah, yeah. I decided to not listen to any influencers anymore. You take your own trades, and you'll do so much better alone than listening to everybody around you. They play too much in your head, you know?
Remember, I'm targeting 14.
Or as
It's
Martin
at 12.
and Darth would say, "Yeah, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah, eh?"
it's at 12. We need 2 more points.
What's your target? What are you going for?
Yeah, got it.
Got it. Nice. All right, so let's call it a day.
Okay, sure. Got one last trade in.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm sorry you didn't get to see it. It was on my other computer for my Bullinox accounts. My Bullinox account ends at 1841. That's the one where I made a mistake, and I just kept clicking the buy button thinking I was selling. And then today, up 1140 in the other account, trading with Alex. Thanks for hanging out with us. I'm going to be back on the mic streaming in the overnight broadcast at 8:30 p.m. today. If you're looking to top up your accounts, Apex is having a phenomenal sale with the bundle accounts. Get 5 accounts.
Code floor.
It's six. Code floor. It's
Code floor.
$69. Shh. It's $69 for the end of day with no activation. And we'll be back, of course, on the mic, me and Omnius, tomorrow morning also at 9 o'clock about for the New York session. And tomorrow's Friday, right?
Yeah, Friday.
Okay. Okay. So, guys, we'll see you. We'll see you tonight. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, everybody. Like, subscribe, use code FLOOR at checkout.